Hello everyone. So in this video series, we'll be learning about the Power App platform by Microsoft. We have various applications in Power App like Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents. So if I were to give you an idea about what is Power Apps, you can think of it as a way to build applications with very little to no knowledge about coding. So first of all, we'll be learning how to create the Microsoft Power Apps account. Then we will explore the dashboard of Power Apps, and then eventually we'll start building our first application on Power Apps. So let's get started with the first video on how to create our Microsoft Power Apps account. So all you have to do is go on Google and type Microsoft Power Apps. Make sure you select the first option, which is without the ads. So when I click on this, Power Apps website by Microsoft will open up, and let's see what are the various plans available. So if you want, you can just click on buy now, and Power Apps website by Microsoft will just list out some of the plans that you can subscribe to. So if you are building just one app, you can probably start with the subscription plan, which is for $5 per user per app per month. But if you have plan to publish more than one app, you can go for a $20 plan, which is like $20 per user per month, but you can publish n number of apps that you would want. Or the other plan that Microsoft Power App has, it the pay as you go plan, as they call it as, which is for the $10, wherein you will publish uh, the applications based on the users per app per month subscription, and you can publish as many apps as you would want. So slowly, if we scroll down, you can get a quick comparison on each of the plans. What are the features with the various plans that you get? So if we go back to the main website, we can just explore our, keep on scrolling down, get an idea how is the Power Apps platform, what all it does. So basically, you can get started with it quickly. You can build apps without compromises, because you don't need to have your technical team or the development team available. And these are some of the brands which use Power Apps, specifically like Toyota, H&M, Coca-Cola, amongst many more. And this is just a data driven thing that they have given, how various companies have leveraged the power of Power Apps over a period of time. So I think they have compared from March 2020 up till today, which is October 2022. So let's get started very quickly. So you can see this is the softwares which are included with the Power Apps, which is like Power BI, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents, and Power Pages. Power Pages is same as Power Apps. Power Virtual Agents, if I were to give you a very basic idea, is used to create intelligent virtual chatbots kind of a thing. Power Automate is basically used to do a lot of automations on your computer. It comes pre-installed with all the Windows 11, and Power BI is a visualization tool which is available. So if you have a lot of data and you want to uh, make a dashboard out of it, you can do the same thing with Power BI. So let's get started. Now, how will you start is, you will first of all click on free, a new page will load up, and we would need to have a Microsoft account, a company account, or a school account. So you cannot sign up with your Gmail account, or your Outlook account, or your Rediff mail account. So what we will do in such a cases, we will go to a website and search for temp mail, which will give us a temporary email address. So once it suggests us, we will simply copy this email address, go back to a Power App sign up page, paste the same thing over here, click on next, and we will wait for the next instructions to load up. So it will ask us like, what is our email address? So we'll say it's an organizational email address. We will click on the next button, and then we will fill out the details. So I will just write my name, my phone number, and my password. Now, Power Apps have sent me a verification code as well. So I'll simply go back to my temp mail, because the inbox is getting refreshed every time. So I'll just wait over here just to see if an email comes up or not. Yep. So here is the email by Microsoft. So I'll just copy this 482040, or you can type in manually, whatever works for you, and check this box. Next, I'll keep my email box active until and unless my account is successfully created, because there might be any pop-up which might come up. So now if you see, it's loaded a new screen. So I'll just skip my ID verification, stay signed in, and then okay, so I will click on simply get started from here, and then I will skip my protection for this account. And now you can see the Power App has actually loaded up. So you can see the web address at the top. So I will close all other tabs at this point, which I don't need. And thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or any doubts that you think you need clarity on, please feel free to comment and I will be happy to answer them.